ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಜಶಿತ್ ರಾಜ್ ಯಸ್ಪನ್ಕರ್.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವೈದೇಹಿ ಎಂ ಕಪೂರ್.
We are going to tell
States in India
and its capital.
Andhra Pradesh Amaravati,
Arunachal Pradesh Itanagar,
Assam Dispur,
Bihar Patna,
Chhattisgarh Raipur,
Goa Panji,
Gujarat Gandhinagar,
Haryana New Delhi,
Himachal Pradesh Shimla,
Jharkhand Ranchi,
Karnataka Bengaluru,
Kerala Thiruvananthapuram,
Madhya Pradesh Bhopal,
Maharashtra Mumbai,
Manipur Imphal,
Meghalaya Shillong,
Mizoram Aizawl,
Nagaland Kohima,
Odisha Bhubaneswar,
Punjab Chandigarh,
Rajasthan Jaipur,
Sikkim Gangtok,
Tamil Nadu Chennai,
Telangana Hyderabad,
Tripura Agartala,
Uttarakhand Dehradun,
Uttar Pradesh Lucknow,
Jammu and Kashmir Srinagar,
West Bengal Kolkata.